In this construction, you're given a circle and a point outside of the circle, and our goal will be to construct a tangent to the circle from that given outer point. So presented to you, we have circle A, and we have point C, which is outside of the circle. Now ultimately, with this construction, we're going to end up creating two tangent lines. But let's go ahead and walk through that process. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw segment AC connecting our center to that point outside the circle. From there, we're going to go ahead and construct and find the midpoint of segment AC. Now, this is what will help you with this. We're going to go ahead and use our perpendicular bisector construction, so construction number 4 from earlier in the unit. We're not going to have to draw the whole bisector, but it'll help us find where the middle of this line will be at. So let's go ahead and do construction number 4. Let's find the perpendicular bisectors. Put your compass on the endpoints. Arc above, arc below. Flip it around, put your compass on C, arc above, and arc below. So again, we are not going to draw the entire line. Rather, we are simply just going to find the midpoint. So we're going to line up our straight edge here and just make a little mark. So that would be the midpoint of AC, and I'm going to label that as M as a point of reference there. Now, once I have this, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to use M as our center, and we're going to use either MC or MA as the radius for the sake of our compass here. Doesn't matter which, because M is the midpoint. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle, or at least an arc large enough to intersect the circle in 2 different spots that will allow us to have points of reference to draw our tangents. So I'm going to go ahead and line up my compass here. So you can see how, again, line it up. M is my center. Put the other end of the compass on my endpoint C. And I'm going to go ahead. And again, you can draw the full circle like the directions say, but as long as it intersects the original circle at 2 different points, that will be good enough. So I'm going to go ahead and label those as X and Y. And then our final step is to create the tangents themselves. So all we would have to do here, again, we will have 2 tangents towards the top and bottom based on where the outer location of our point is. We're going to go ahead and connect CY. So there's one of our tangents. And then ultimately CX. And that is how you construct tangent lines to a circle when the point is outside of the circle.